Full Spectrum Laser prides itself on engineering some of the best laser systems in America. FSL also strives to bring the best support to our customers. Get connected to a highly trained support technician ready to help you through any issue. Learn the intricacies of how your laser system works. We even offer training and custom installations at your facility or ours. Enjoy specialized training specifically for your application. Our training and support staff will leave you confident and ready to attack any application with your laser system. Did you know you can easily submit a support ticket right from your RE3 software? And we of course have phone support available Monday through Friday if you prefer to talk to a technician. Or get help anytime with one of our video tutorials, forums, or from the Laser 101 section of our website. Full Spectrum Laser has the right support for your laser system. Highly trained technical support staff and personalized training to help get the most out of your laser system. Contact us today at support@fslaser.com or give us a call at 702-802-3100. Full Spectrum Laser, manufacturing reimagined.